And welcome to Slay Edge Media. I just want to give you guys an update of what I've been doing. Reason why I haven't uploaded in like 2 weeks. Right now, today I'm working on the 67 C10. I don't know if you see that right there. The trailing arm connector right there is broken right there in the center. So basically I have to replace that. I got this other one right here that I'm gonna be replacing it with. This is a nice one. It's got adjustability right here. It's for lowered vehicles, and if I want to raise it up a little bit, it's full adjustable, so that's good. But the reason why you click this video, I'm sure, is because of the bushings. And since I already got to replace this thing right here, I decided I'm gonna go ahead and replace the bushings for the trailing arms as well. And I figured I'd show y'all how to do it, because this is what I've been working on. This vehicle as a whole is what I've been working on, and there's a reason why I haven't done any vehicle uploads to this channel. So I already got one out. I'm gonna show you how I get the other one out. I use the drill bit method. I feel like it's the easiest way to get it because these things are so dang corroded. Look, you have to drill it up into little bitty pieces. I'll show you. You can get a little bit of a better view of that shit right there. It's broken. This is the original one. It's a real headache to get out. The old owner did a weld here instead of the factory rivets that come in it. When it comes to replacing these bushings, I think the easiest way, drill bit. I got 3 different sizes here. I think this is like a 5/64 or 9/64. This one's a 1/4 inch, and this one's like 5/16, so it's like 1/16 bigger than a 1/4 because it has that little bit of a paddle on the end right there, the little paddle, so it's like a little bit wider. And 1/4 inch is all you need, you know. Maybe this one's be good for clearing out the last little bit, you know. But pretty sure I could probably even do it all with the little one. I like to get the hole started with this one and then go behind and clear them out with this one. So just go around, do this in real time. Yeah, I got cords and stuff everywhere, lights. It's like a project, it's a real project. But this is why I haven't been uploading videos. I'm working on this project. I want to get it ready for a car show. But you see how I just use a drill bit and just keep going in? All right, did a good amount with that bit. Switch to 1/4 inch. But I think the camera went out, I'm not sure, but here it is right here. Just keep on working at it, it pops right out, no problem. And make sure it's real cleaned out. All you gotta do now is clean that up real good now. All right, so it's all done. You can see both of them are clear and empty. All the rubber is basically deteriorated right here. You see like little bitty crumble pieces right here. Everything is just destroyed. That's why I say you need some kind of breathing protection or a fan blowing the stuff the opposite direction of your face. You know what I'm saying? I just want to give you guys a couple of tips real quick to get this job done. Like I said, multiple sides, drill bits. So I got a 1/4 inch. I think this is 5/16, and this is like 9/64. So that's just barely over an 1/8 inch. You're gonna need a drill with adjustability. The kind that adjusts right here. You see how I adjust right there? Let me tell you guys this. I've been working on my hands since I was a kid. So I know what I'm talking about when I say take PPE seriously. So eye protection, I've had like shit fly in my eyes, sparks and stuff. Breathing protection, you don't wanna be smelling fumes and stuff. That stuff can give you fucking cancer. Hearing protection, if you're gonna be using some loud stuff, it's worth it. You're gonna need your hearing when you get older. You saw me wearing these big old gloves. I got like thermal protection, like heavy duty gloves. So when I'm grabbing like hot drill bits and hot tools and stuff, it doesn't burn my hands. I used to be in the military, I was in construction battalion, so I know a thing about tools. But this is some of the other stuff I'm using to get the job done, to replace that cross member right there, getting that new one in there. Gotta use an air hammer. I gotta use a grinder. So I gotta wear a lot of this PPE. It's just a It's just a warning in advance for you guys. Protect yourself. Take this stuff seriously. You do not want to cut your finger off. Wear heavy duty gloves, you know, gloves that are going to protect your finger, because you may take it for granted until you get hurt. That's when you're like, man, I should have wore goggles. I should have wore hair protection. I should have wore gloves. Something, all this stuff. But if you're gonna do a project with only a bare minimum, at least get you some good eye protection and gloves. Glasses ain't good enough because little shit can still get in your eyes. Yeah, go ahead and leave a little comment if you want to. It's a project, I was trying to get it ready for the car show up in Arizona. Just having difficulty with this damn cross member down here. But there's a will, there's a way. Yeah, so hopefully this video is useful for you guys. As far as removing those bushings, I know it can be a little tricky because they're all seized up and old and worn out. But the new stuff to get is polyurethane. I'm gonna get polyurethane. I'm gonna order them on like eBay. This is 67, so the parts are like everywhere. Parts everywhere. You can get good parts right off eBay. Same quality as ordering from Summit or something. And you can still order top brands right on eBay. People think that eBay is just so much of Chinese stuff. No, you got good stuff on eBay too. But yeah, this project is what I've been working on, trying to get ready for that car show up in Prescott. I'm gonna get it. And coincidentally, it's a veteran car show. Even if I don't get this thing nowhere near ready to go, it's still about progress. You know, I'm still making progress. So anybody else out there having a headache with a classic vehicle, be patient, don't give up. Just keep striving, keep going. See you guys in the next one. Peace.